Hello, my name is Tyler Orlowski,
My name is Mike West.
and we brought you to the Woe Show, which is the West Orlowski Show. Orlowski West, whatever you want. We both don't take pride over each other. We don't.
Well, I mean, I thought of the show, so it's whatever.
That's another vlog. Anyways, we're coming live from the man cave. This is what we're doing right now. Let me just show you. Like, there's some of my stuff over there. Some. Look at, we got some Modern Warfare 2 back there.
You know how we do it.
If I can get this right here, let me.
Oh shit!
I don't think I can. I don't know if you saw it or not, but we'll see. Anyways, that's the new Black Ops that's coming out.
Countdown has begun.
Sox 5, PlayStation Network, get at me. I believe this is 509's greatest. Xbox Live.
Xbox Live.
If you want to be a fag that way. Anyways, that's a whole different story we got here. Got Modern Warfare, Red Dead going over there. Anyways, we're starting a vlog that just anything you want us to talk about, we will talk. Because I know people losing jobs these days, they got nothing to do but sit on YouTube. And I don't know,
us, unemployed.
They're poor, they don't got no video camera to make it anything. So, I mean, we want to help them out. What do you guys want to hear? What do you guys want to see? We can review anything you'd like. Anything you want us to be interested in, just anything you want us to do, just let us know.
Graduation's coming up, so we're gonna have a lot of free time.
It's like be list.
We're just gonna
about
go off.
graduation. Like we might have a 45-minute vlog on how senior year is just flown every other year out of the water. Like it's
I'm
ridiculous.
Cry. I'm just gonna say that right now.
You know, I might walk across that stage, slap somebody. And then I might break into tears. I don't know. If I'm gonna go, I don't know. But
I'm just saying, I gotta wait till the very end. I'm West right here. That's the end of the list.
That's the end. O right here. LMNO. You know,
2 hours.
That's lower quartile of the alphabetical chart there. So, anyways, Tyler Orlowski, Michael West, doing it big on the YouTube.
We running this.
Yeah. Anyways, just let us know what you want.